In order to set which fields are required on the reservation form, go to the website tab, Reservation Pages. Click into your reservation page. Expand the section called Presentation, and look for the section called Reservation Form. If it's not already expanded, click Customize, and here it is possible to select which fields are required. So here we're going to put address, city, state, zip, and country, all required. And since the labels are missing, we're also going to retype in the labels. And click Save Changes. Now when we view our page, we will see that those are set as required fields. Actually, we set them to only show. We also need to make sure we set required. The first column is whether or not to show them, and the second column is to set as required. So click Save Changes. Now when we look at our reservation form, we will see that those fields are showing and are set as required. There they are.